So that was such a big sin that it turned Iblis into the devil. He was a good jinn. Yeah. Very good jinn. Very good worshipper. Knowledgeable, pious. But the quality of arrogance came into him that he thought, Ana khairum minhu, I'm better than Adam. I'm superior to him. I was created from a nar, from fire, and he was created min at-teen, from clay. And fire is superior to clay. So the quality of thinking that I am better than him. A disease that can get into the hearts of any one of us. Very, very easy. Very easy. Very easy. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Nas, chapter 114 of the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. A shaitan whispers into the chest, referring to the hearts. Shaitan whispers into the hearts of human beings. So shaitan whispers into our hearts and make us act arrogant. Yeah, because it's a quality of shaitan. And he was kicked out of paradise because of his quality of arrogance. So he will want all of us to be arrogant so we can join him in hell. See the point? And then Allah always warns us, do not follow the footsteps of shaitan.